So welcome back to my channel Math की पाठशाला मस्ती की पाठशाला. Today topic is trigonometry. It is helpful for 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th student. It is very important topic for you. So watch till the end. Next I will upload trigonometric formulas and trigonometric table. नेक्स्ट ट्रिग्नोमेट्री का वीडियो देखने के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें. टुडे आई विल टीच यू ट्रिग्नोमेट्री. इट इज हेल्पफुल फॉर 9th स्टूडेंट, 10th स्टूडेंट, 11th, 12th, फॉर ऑल क्लासेस इट इज नेसेसरी. ओके, सो ट्रिग्नोमेट्री comes from 3 words. First is try. Try means 3. Okay, gon and metron. So trigonometry comes from these 3 words: try, gon, metron. Try means 3, gon means sides, and metron means measure. That means measurement of 3 sides. So 3-sided figure is what? 3-sided figure is a triangle. So that means 3 sides measurement of 3 sides of a triangle is known as trigonometry. Okay, so trigonometry is the study of relationship between sides and angles of a triangle. What is trigonometry? Trigonometry is the study of relationship between sides and angles. This is the angle, so you can use in trigonometry right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. In a right angle triangle, side, this is right angle, this is an angle. Okay, so let it be triangle is A, B, C. So C is an angle and this angle is a right angle. This is here, this is hypotenuse. So what is hypotenuse? Opposite side of right angle. Opposite side of right angle. So opposite side of right angle is known as hypotenuse. राइट एंगल का अपोजिट साइड में जो साइड है दैट इज नोन एज हाइपोटेनस. इट इज डिनोटेड बाय स्मॉल h. एंड व्हाट इज which one is perpendicular, which side is perpendicular and which side is base. If you take this angle, C angle, so angle का जो opposite side है that is perpendicular. This is P. Okay, side opposite to C angle, P. If you take this angle, okay, I will take another example, A, B, C. If you take C angle here in this figure, perpendicular is angle का जो opposite side है that is perpendicular. और जो adjacent side है this is opposite side, this is adjacent side. जो पास में जो है angle का जो पास में है adjacent side है that is base. Base is denoted by P, perpendicular is denoted by P, base is denoted by B. But in this figure, if you take this angle, A angle, so A angle का opposite side is BC, so this is P, and adjacent side AB is B. So see the difference. If you take C angle, एंगल का जो अपोजिट साइड है दैट इज P, एडजेसेंट साइड इज B. अगर A एंगल लोगे उसका एडजेसेंट साइड इज B एंड अपोजिट साइड इज B. अगर C एंगल लोगे दिस इज B, दिस इज P, उल्टा हो जाएगा. ओके, समझ में आया? हाउ कैन यू गेट व्हाट इज परपेंडिकुलर, व्हाट इज बेस? ऑलवेज नॉट दिस इज परपेंडिकुलर, दिस इज बेस. एंगल वाइज ये परपेंडिकुलर बेस चेंज होगा. ओके, how we use trigonometry in a question or in your daily life. Okay, so if there is a tower, यहाँ Hori is standing here. there is a tower. So what is the distance between tower and hori? How can you find out? By applying trigonometry, means side of this. How can you find out? If it is a right angle triangle and this is given, then find out this distance. So by using trigonometry or trigonometry ratio, you can find out this type of questions. Okay. So now I will teach you trigonometric ratio. So what is trigonometric ratio? Now the trigonometric What is trigonometric ratio? The ratio between the length of a pair of two sides. Pair of two sides. The ratio between the length of a pair of two sides of a right angle triangle is called the trigonometric ratio. Okay. So what is the ratio between the length of pair of two sides? Ratio between the length of a pair of two sides. So right angle triangle का टू साइड का एनी टू साइड का रेशियो इज नोन एज ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक ratio. Okay, so how many trigonometric ratios are there? There is 6 trigonometric ratios, that is sine, cosine, sec, tan, okay, then cot and cosec. So like this 6 trigonometric ratios are there. By length of a pair of two sides of a right angle triangle, ratio between the length of any two pair of two sides of a right angle triangle. तो साइन को कैसे निकालेंगे? एंड रेशियो बिटवीन द लेंथ, तो ये जो ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियो है उसको हम कैसे याद रखेंगे? पी बी पी, एच एच बी, एस सी टी. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय एस सी टी? ऐसे भी याद रख सकते हो, पंडित बद्री प्रसाद हर हर बोले सोना चांदी तोले. ओके, पंडित बद्री प्रसाद, पंडित से पी, बद्री से बी, प्रसाद से पी. पंडित बद्री प्रसाद हर हर बोले सोना चांदी तोले. क्या है? सोना. ये एस इज फॉर स्टैंड्स फॉर साइन, सी स्टैंड्स फॉर कॉस, T stands for tan. The sign is Pandit Badri Prasad Har Har Bole means P by H. Cos is B by H. Tan is P by B. Okay. In trigonometry ये एंगल को हम बोल सकते हैं थीटा. ये जो हम ए बी सी ट्रायंगल में ये एंगल को हम क्या कह सकते हैं? थीटा. और भी एंगल को कहते हैं फाई. ओके, और भी कुछ एंगल है, थीटा, फाई, बीटा, गामा. लाइक दिस एंगल को हम डिनोट करते हैं. यहाँ हम लिए हैं थीटा. तो साइन थीटा रेशियो कैसे निकालेंगे? साइन इज पी बाई एच, तो इसे हम स्मॉल भी लिख सकते हैं, पी बाई एच. परपेंडिकुलर बाई हाइपोटेनस. परपेंडिकुलर में पहले समझा दिया है. परपेंडिकुलर इज ऑपोजिट, एंगल का ऑपोजिट साइड इज परपेंडिकुलर, एंगल का एडजेसेंट साइड इज बेस. सो लाइक दिस साइन थीटा इज पी बाई एच, कॉस थीटा इज बी बाई एच, सेक थीटा इज, कॉस और सेक क्या है ना? कॉस थीटा सेक थीटा रेसिप्रोकल है. sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. ओके, सो sec theta ये उल्टा हो जाएगा, रेसिप्रोकल मीन्स h बाई बी. tan theta is equal to p by b. cot theta उसका रेसिप्रोकल, cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. तो cot theta is equal to b by p. cosec theta sin theta का रेसिप्रोकल. ओके, तो cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. तो cosec theta is, sin theta is p by h, cosec theta is h by p. sin cosec रेसिप्रोकल, cos sec रेसिप्रोकल, tan cot रेसिप्रोकल. sin theta इक्वल टू 1 by cosec theta और cosec theta इक्वल टू 1 by sin theta. cos theta इक्वल टू 1 by sec theta, sec theta इक्वल टू 1 by cos theta. tan theta इक्वल टू 1 by cot theta और cot theta इक्वल टू 1 by tan theta. ओके, सो लाइक दिस sin theta is p by h, उसका रेसिप्रोकल cosec theta is h by p. cos theta is b by h, sec theta is h by b. tan theta is p by b, ये उल्टा हो गया, cot theta is b by p. So these are the 6 trigonometric ratio which is the ratio between the length of a pair of two sides of a right angle triangle. So trigonometry में क्या यूज होता है? ओनली राइट एंगल, इट इज एप्लीकेबल फॉर राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल. तो परपेंडिकुलर, बेस, हाइपोटेनस को लेके हम अभी क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे. सो हियर वन क्वेश्चन इज, इन राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल ABC, AB is 5, AC is 13. Find sin A, cos C, tan A, cosec A. Okay. तो हाउ कैन यू फाइंड आउट साइन ए? साइन ए एंगल, इसका अपोजिट इज दिस वन, सो दिस इज परपेंडिकुलर एंड आर इसका एडजेसेंट इज दिस, तो दिस इज बेस. सो साइन ए साइन थीटा इज हाउ मच? फॉर्मूला इज p by h. So what is perpendicular here? Perpendicular is not given. So we will find perpendicular. In Pythagoras theorem, that is hypotenuse. So in Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. So what is hypotenuse here? AC. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Okay, you have to find out BC. So BC square is AC square minus AB square. AC square minus AB square is BC square. So what is AC here? 13. So 13 square minus AB is 5. 5 square is equal to BC square. 13 square is 169 minus 5 square is 25, that is BC square. It is 144 is equal to BC square. BC is equal to root over 144, that is 12. So BC is equal to 12. That means perpendicular is 12. ओके, बाय यूजिंग पिथागोरस थ्योरम ये दो साइड को यूज करके ये साइड को निकालना है फर्स्ट. सो P इज 12, समझ में आया? P इज 12 बाई H इज हाइपोटेनस इज 13. दिस इज हाइपोटेनस H, दिस इज B. ओके, so sin A is P by H, that is 12 by 13. Then given cos C. Okay, cos C. So C अगर this angle is C, so उसका जो opposite है, तो अगर C एंगल लेंगे 5 हो जाएगा P एंड ये adjacent है 12 हो जाएगा B. ओके, तो cos C is B by H, cos theta is B by H. तो बेस कौन सा है? C एंगल का बेस इज एडजेसेंट साइड इज 12. सो 12 by hypotenuse is 13. It is also 12 by 13. Okay. Then find out tan A. Tan theta is equal to P by B. So what is P here? A में perpendicular this, base is this, so P by B, that means 12 by 5. समझ में आ रहा है बच्चों? Then come to next question, cosec A. Cosec A. Cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta, that means h by p. तो cosec A में h तो ये है, p is 12, h is 13, p is 12, that is 13 by 12. Okay. So next question is, in a triangle ABC, P is perpendicular is BC, AB is base. If A is an acute angle, that means B is a right angle, A is an acute angle, and if cot A is equal to 4 by 3, find the ratios. Okay. So if cot A is equal to 4 by 3, तो cot A is equal to B by P, that is equal to 4 by 3. Okay. So let AB is equal to B is equal to 4x. So B by P is 4 by 3. Let B is equal to 4x and P is equal to 3x. P is BC. BC is equal to P is equal to 3x. So in Pythagoras theorem, H is h square, that means AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So AB square is, AB is 4x, AB square is 16x square plus BC square is 9x square, that is equal to 25x square. If AC square equal to 25x square, AC is equal to 25x square root over, that is 5x. So AC is equal to 5x. If AC is equal to 5x, now you will find all the ratios. Okay. That means if sin A is equal to P by H. Okay. So P is how much? 3x. P is 3x by H is, this is H. So H is 5x, that is 3 by 5. Like this, cos A is equal to B by H. B is how much? B is 4x, H is 5x. So 4x by 5x, that is equal to 4 by 5. Like this, tan A is equal to P by B. So P is how much? 3x by B is 4x, that is equal to 3 by 4. Like this, cot A is equal to 4 by 3. Tan A का opposite, cosec A is equal to sin A is 3 by 5, that is 5 by 3. Sec A is 5 by 4. Okay. So these are the all ratios. So our next question is, if 13 sin A equal to 12, find sec A, tan A, sec A minus tan A, 1 by cos square A minus tan square A. So 13, if 13 sin A is equal to 12, then sin A is equal to 12 by 13. Okay. So if we draw the figure here, A, B, C. So sin A equal to 12 by 13. So P by H. Okay. So if 12 by 13, P by H, find out FB. H square is equal to P square plus b square. So this is b. So to find out b square, h square minus p square is equal to b square. That means b square is equal to h square is 13 square 169 minus p square 12 square is 144, that is equal to 25. b is equal to root 25 is equal to 5. So base is equal to 5. Clear? The 12, 13 perpendicular, hypotenuse is given. Base you can find out, that is 5. Then what is the question? Now find out sec A. Sec A. Sec A is equal to h by b. H is 13. B is 5. That is 13 by 5. Then tan A. Find out tan A. Tan A is equal to P by B. So that is 12 by 5 tan A. Then find out sec A minus tan A. So what is sec A here? 13 by 5 minus tan A is 12 by 5. That is equal to 1 by 5. Okay. Then our question is 1 by cos square A. 1 by cos square A minus tan square A. Okay. So 1 by cos square A is 1 by cos square A means sec square A. So sec A is 13 by 5. That is equal to 13 by 5 whole square minus tan A is 12 by 5. Tan square A is 12 by 5 whole square. Okay. That is equal to 169. 13 square by 5 square is 25 minus 12 square is 144. 5 square is 25. 169 minus 144 by 25. So 25 by 25, that is equal to 1 is your answer. Our next question is given, if in this right angle triangle ABC, BC is given 5, AC minus AB is equal to 1, find AB and AC and cosec A and cos A. Okay. So given AC minus AP is equal to 1, then AC is equal to 1 plus AB. AC is equal to 1 plus AB. So AC is hypotenuse here. So AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. In place of AC, you can write 1 plus AB because AC is 1 plus AB. तो AC स्क्वायर के जगह में लिख सकते हो 1 plus AB square is equal to AB square plus BC. BC is given 5 square, that is 5 square is 25. ये है A plus B whole square. So A square plus B square plus 2AB. 2 into 1 into AB is 2AB is equal to AB square plus 25. So AB square cancel with each other. So 2AB is equal to 25. ये 1 जाके यहाँ माइनस हो जाएगा, that is 24. If 2AB is equal to 24, AB is equal to 24 by 2, 12. AC is equal to, AC कितना है 1 plus AB. तो 1 plus AB, that means 1 plus 12 is equal to 13. So AB is equal to 12, AC is equal to 13. Our question is cosec A. Cosec A is H by P. So here AC is H, cosec A. So here P is 5. Okay. How? Cosec A. If in angle is A, that means perpendicular is opposite of this angle. So P is here 5. So cosec A is H by P. समझ में आया बच्चों? cosec A, क्वेश्चन देखो, A का opposite क्या है? Perpendicular. So here perpendicular, if you take angle A, perpendicular is 5. If you take angle C, perpendicular is AB. Okay, so cosec A is equal to h by p. That means p is here how much? 5. BC is p. BC is p. अगर हम A एंगल लेंगे तो BC is P. So cosec A is h by p 13 by 5. Then given cos A. Cos A is B by h. तो B by h, that is this is B. A एंगल लेंगे अगर ये B, तो AB कितना आया है हमारा? AB is 12. AC is 13. Okay, so cos A is B by h. This is B, this is the adjacent side cos A angle का. So B by h, that means 12 by 13. Okay,